Hello everybody, thanks and welcome to the bush. Just some advice here, when you go walking by the bush then, yeah, and you're looking for aminals and, oh look, it are some little bit poofy there. Always make sure that you walk normally and quietly. Like that, okay? Don't walk like you're a bloody hooner, okay? You don't have to walk like this. Can you see that? Okay. That are not cool. You look like a cocoon that's going to be taken up for Thanksgiving here by America there. And when you see something, stand still like this. Can you see that? Can you see that? Anyway guys, yeah, because when you shake your kop like that, you can't notice all the nice things by the bush here. Like for instance this thing, can you see that? They're pretty, eh? Can you see that? They are quite tall there, nee? These are what they make the tequila from. This plant here. Okay. I don't really know how they make it, because there are so bloody much thorns on it that it'll prick you that you look like a bloody strainer. I think that's what they call it. A sieve. When you like try and pick this thing. Can you see the bloody dorings there? Can you see that? So don't go and think that you can use this thing for a chair there, okay? Because you're gonna puncture your body there. Anyway guys, so you always gotta be careful and walk nicely, like rustig. Rustig my kind.
Hier op die plaas loop ons baie rustig, ons waardeer die bosveld.
Can you see that? So you gotta be calm and collective. Okay, don't come here and think that you are bloody Jackie Chan or Rambo and you do your crazy thing there like that, okay? You're scaring away the bloody animals there, okay? Be quiet and enjoy the nature there. Can you hear that? Okay, they are peaceful here by the bushes here. Okay, so don't scare the animals there, but enjoy the bush and look around. Look around. Okay, you don't have to look like a verkleersmannetjies eyes that go. Just be normal, okay? But we are normal people here, okay? We do normal things here. Okay, thanks.